What's up everyone, my name is Mark Plant and this is MPV Vlogs. Like I said, my name is Mark Plant and this is MPV Vlogs. Thanks for tuning in. If you're new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button down on the bottom. Really helps this channel out a lot. If you already subscribed, please give the video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think of it. So let's get into the video. I have not done a video in quite a long time. I had family issues and some health issues, but they are now taken care of. So I'm going to get back to making some videos here. And the videos that I'm going to be making are predominantly going to be woodworking videos. New tools, just different things to use with woodworking. I picked up woodworking as a hobby, you can tell from some of my last videos. I have a sister site, it's called blackcutwoodworking.com. That's the website. I also have a YouTube channel for that where I'll be doing a lot of videos for that also. But that being said, with me doing a lot of woodworking videos, one of the main things when you're doing woodworking is safety. And if I'm doing videos, I have to use a microphone. I can't use the microphone off that camera, off of any camera, because it'll be horrible. And to use a directional microphone, again, won't be good. So what I'm using right now, if I don't know whether you can see, I got a little Sony clip-on lapel microphone. Picked this up a couple of years ago for like 20 bucks, and it's a really good microphone. The only problem is with this microphone is it is wired. And working with power tools, wiring is not a good thing. I get that caught in any of the machinery that I'm using. I could severely hurt myself, damage the equipment, or both. So I've been looking for a wireless mic. DJI makes some, Rode makes some, but they're incredibly expensive. So when the Amazon Prime came around a couple of weeks ago, they were offering a microphone. It was $35 and works on both the iPhone, or I should say works on all three, the iPhone, Android phone, and it will work with this camera. So I figured I'd give it a shot for 35 bucks. You really can't go wrong. So here's the screenshot of the product. Don't even ask me to name the company that made it. I couldn't pronounce it if I wanted to. So let's go in and I'm going to open up the box. I'm not going to do a true unboxing. Basically, it's going to be a receiver. And then I believe that it has two microphones. Receiver plugs into either this camera, an Android phone, or an iPhone. So let's go get the box. Okay, so this is it here. It is a PQRQP mini mic, and it comes with the two microphones and one receiver. So I guess we could use two at the same time. It's supposed to be plug and play, noise reduction, precise radio. They're saying it's the best thing since sliced bread. For the price, I doubt it, but let's take a look and see how it works. I wasn't going to do an unboxing, but I might as well. Like I said, this is the back of the box here. Gives you the information. Oops, says I have it upside down, sorry. It's a wireless microphone. Yeah, I don't even know how you would pronounce PQRQP. It's a 3-in-1 microphone. So let's open this up and see what comes with it. Again, if you've watched my videos, you know I have very shaky hands. Nothing I can do about it. So bear with me. Okay. Take the plastic layer off there. Okay. Get this box open. Yeah, come on. Here we go. Comes with user's manual, product information. Go through that in a second. Nice little case that it comes in. This is actually pretty nice. The amount that I paid, this is actually very nice. Yeah, that's actually really nice. Let's get the box out of the way. Let's see what comes in here. Okay, we have... Okay, that's one of the wind socks or dead cat. That's the second one. What that does is prevents the wind noise. What we have here. Okay, this is the connector. Okay, got a feeling I'm probably going to have to charge this up. That's going to go into the camera. That will go into an Android phone, and that'll go into an iPhone. Nice little USB charging cable. Microphone number one. Taking, that's the mic there. Got a little bit of power. This one, power button is on the back right there. Yeah, it's got a little bit of power. Oh wow, it says it's already connected. Holy mackerel. Yeah, they're both on and they're both connected. Okay, let's do this then. Let's connect it to my iPhone. All right, so the receiver has power, as you can see right there, and it has connected successfully to the microphone. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to test this out on my iPhone here. What we do is we get the receiver here, and that's the iPhone jack. See if it'll focus. Focus. There we go. I think that would focus. Anyway, plug it in with your charge. Okay. And that's it. All you need to do is this. Go over to video here. We'll go. Oops. Let's flip this around. Okay, so we flipped it around. It's now on me. I'll take the mic, put it right up to my mouth here, and I'll switch over from my Canon camera to my iPhone. Let's put this over here. Okay, so I put it down on its side there. I kept on hitting the power off button. So let's put the mic down for a second. And let's see how far away I can go. A lot of people I'm seeing, they're taking this and they clip it on their hat like so. So I don't know how well it's working with this. So let me walk out here. Let's see how it worked. So I'm a good 10, 15 feet away from the camera, not in full sight. I come back into the room. I'm in full sight of the camera again. So let's go back over here. I'm going to connect back up to the Canon camera. Okay, so I'm back on the Canon camera. Let's shut that off. All right, everyone. Seemed to work really well on the iPhone. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to test it on the Canon camera. Issues that I've seen with some of these cheaper mics is you get a humming noise with it being so close to the radio frequencies. So that's what I'm worried about. I really want to use it with the Canon camera, but if I have to use it with the iPhone, I'll use it with the iPhone. Like I said, for $35, I can't go wrong. It seemed like it worked well with the iPhone. I have to work on the levels and stuff because that was way too loud. I also had my mouth right up against it and I didn't have the dead cat on it. So let's do this. I'm going to hook this up to the camera. So let me set up my iPhone here. Okay, so I'm now on the iPhone. As you can see, there's my camera. So let me get the receiver here. And we're going to go to some horrible audio here. So I apologize for the quick second. Get that out of the way. We'll unhook this Canon microphone. Put that there. And I believe all I got to do is plug that in to the same jack. Okay. Let's see if that works. Test, test. Test, test. Well, it seems to. Alright, so you see it's hooked right there. Let me hook this to my hat like I had it before. And I am now, let me shut off the iPhone. I am now recording with the wireless. So we'll do the same. Let me unhook myself here so I don't pull the camera over. Put the iPhone down so I don't drop that. Unhook. And again, I'll walk away and see how far away I can get. Go out into my office here, and as you can see, I'm in the other room. Seems to still be recording pretty well. Like I said, I'm roughly about 20 feet away from the camera right now, and it seems to be picking me up pretty well. I'll talk really soft here, and let's see how this works. So as long as there's no hum in this, I think it'll be good. I won't know until I actually pull the video off the camera, so we'll see then. But if this does work without a hum, I'll be very happy. And the software that I use to edit this, I could probably pull that hum right out, I believe. So yeah, let's check this out, see how it works. Let's sit back down, and I don't like it up on the bill of the hat. Like I said, a lot of people do that here. What I'll do, let me clip it on my lapel here and see how that works. In any case, I'm pretty happy with it. Like I said, it works great with the iPhone, and it seems to be, I'm getting good readings on the camera for this. So it's the PQRQP. There'll be a link in the description below. If you click on the link and you do purchase this product, it is, I do get a little bit of commission from that. So just to let you know, it doesn't cost you any more, but I do get a commission from that. So check it out. I think it's so far it seems like it's a great product. So yeah, that's it. That's going to be this video. If I don't get too much hum in this video, I'll be using this mic for basically all my videos rather than the wired mic. It doesn't hold me in one area. I can move around without having to worry about knocking over the camera or anything like that. So anyway, thanks for watching this video. I do appreciate it. Like I said earlier, if you are new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button. It really does help me out. Allows me to purchase stuff like this to show you before you go out and purchase it. Nice pieces of cheap technology that if you're just beginning, it helps you get along until you can afford the more expensive stuff. Again, this is Mark Plant's vlog. You can visit my website, which is markplant.com, or my woodworking website, which is blackhutwoodworking.com. Both those links will be in the description below. Thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. Please, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think of this video. And give me an idea of something that you would like me to unbox and demonstrate for a cheap piece of technology. In any case, thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. And I'll see you guys again real soon.